Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is PilotShuute. Welcome to a new video. Today is Eid 2021. Number 2. Day 3. So lit. Let's keep tuned. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel. Right here we met this nice dog, so friendly. Look at him. It was really a nice Eid day. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel so we can add more. Eid vlog is still going on. So nice, so really nice. Right here, just having some chicken. Clever. We just having fun, man. We're right here in the forest. You can see a monkey right there. It's a monkey day. We just fallen in love with monkeys. Came out of the horse riding place. We're going to the golf place. Nowhere is open, but we're still riding. Like, you just need to enjoy it, man. It's so nature, it's green, it's so fun. Just came to the golf place. It's so nice, so really nice. It's all about nature. It's all about the nature. It was a really nice Eid, 3 days in the row. Make sure you like and share and subscribe to this channel. Salam.